How to turn off YouTube Auto Translate 2026. Step-by-step guide is YouTube automatically translating video titles, descriptions, and captions into your local language, and you just want to see the original content the way the creator intended. You're not alone and the fix is super simple. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to turn off YouTube Auto Translate once and for all in 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're fixing one of the most commonly complained about YouTube settings in 2026, Auto Translate. Whether it's mistranslating captions, changing video titles into your local language, or switching subtitle languages automatically, I've got you fully covered. Let's go through every method step by step across both mobile and desktop. Step 1. Turning off Auto Translate on the YouTube mobile app. Open YouTube and play any video that has captions or subtitles enabled. Tap anywhere on the video to bring up the playback controls. Now tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the video player. Select Captions from the menu. You'll see the currently active language. Tap on it and scroll through the list to find and select the original language of the video. This overrides the auto-translated version and keeps captions in their original form for that video. Step 2. Changing your default language setting on mobile to stop auto-translate globally. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the YouTube home screen. Go to Settings, then General, and look for the Language option. Tap it and set your preferred language to English, or whichever language the content you watch is originally in. This reduces automatic translation triggers across your entire YouTube experience. Step 3. Turning off Auto Translate on YouTube desktop. Open YouTube in your browser and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then click on Language from the left side menu. Change your language preference to match the original language of content you typically watch. Hit Save and refresh the page for the changes to take full effect. Step 4. Disabling auto-translated titles and descriptions on desktop. If YouTube is translating video titles in your feed, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the YouTube homepage. Click on the language option displayed in the footer. It usually shows your current region and language. Update both the language and location settings to your preference. This is the most overlooked fix, and it works incredibly well at stopping title translation across your entire feed. Step 5. For persistent caption translation issues, go back into any video, tap or click the settings gear icon on the video player, select subtitles and captions. Then choose Off to disable them entirely. Then re-enable them and manually select the original language. YouTube will remember your preference for that channel going forward. Here's your pro tip for 2026. If you watch content from multiple languages and auto-translate keeps switching back on, the most powerful fix is to set your YouTube app language and your phone system language to match each other. When these two are out of sync, YouTube gets confused and defaults back to auto-translate every single time. Aligning both settings permanently solves the problem without needing to adjust anything video by video, and that's everything you need. You now know how to turn off YouTube Auto Translate in 2026 across both mobile and desktop, from fixing captions on individual videos, updating your global language settings, stopping translated titles in your feed, and syncing your app and system language for a permanent solution. No more mistranslated titles or captions getting in the way of your viewing experience. If this guide helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss our latest YouTube tips and fixes. And let me
What
know in the comments, was it the captions or the titles that were bothering you most? I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.